Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save cart in Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To save a cart in Amazon, start by signing in to your Amazon account. Navigate to the Amazon homepage after signing in. Browse for the items you want to add to your cart. When you find an item, click on it to view more details. Select your desired options, such as size or color, if applicable. Click the Add to Cart button to add the item to your shopping cart. Continue browsing for additional items you may need. Repeat the process of selecting and adding items to your cart. Once you have added all desired items, go to the cart icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the cart icon to view all items in your cart. To save your cart, you can create a wish list. Look for the Save for Later option next to the items in your cart. Click on it to move items to your saved list. Alternatively, if you want to keep the items in your cart, simply leave them there. Your cart is automatically saved in your Amazon account. You can access your cart anytime by logging back into your account. To view saved items, navigate to the Accounts and Lists drop-down menu. Select your lists to find your wishlist and saved items. Your saved cart and wishlist will be available for future purchases. To remove items, check the box next to the item and select Delete. If you are ready to purchase, click the Proceed to Checkout button. Follow the prompts to complete your order. Remember, items in your cart may not be held indefinitely. Consider finalizing your purchase sooner for best availability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.